Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to have multitasking on your iTouch and iPhone. So that's right. So the first thing you need to do is install Multiflow, that is right over here. As you can see, Multiflow. As you will install Multiflow, you will get Activator also. So now I'm going to show you how I can do multitasking on my iTouch. So I am now opening Photos. And now I'll hold on the home button for a while, and now I'll open stocks, and now again I'll hold on for a while. It says backgrounding enabled, and if I'll again hold on for a while, I'll get the two things which I opened. Now I'll select stocks, and now again I'll select photos. See, isn't it simpler? And now again, if you hold for a short while, it says backgrounding disabled. So the first thing you need to do is this Multiflow is compatible for both iTouch and iPhone users. So the first thing you need to do is visit Cydia. Is loading. So I have opened Cydia and go to sources. In that you just need to do a simple thing, add a source, that is Sinful iPhone Repo. It says http sinfuliPhoneRepo.com, and after adding this source, open the source, and as you can see there are all the different packages, and just go to M, and there will be Multiflow Cracked. As you can see a tick, I have installed it already. It says Multiflow Cracked, but and if you will go in normal search, and there you will write Multiflow, MULTIFL, not O guys, press 0. Make sure that you press O and not. So I got Multiflow. Guys, this the first Multiflow you can see is the paid one. So if you go on that one, as you can see, it's loading. Just hold on guys. It says purchase package, so you need to purchase this package. So to avoid that, install a Sinful iPhone repository, so you can get the Multiflow Cracked, as you can see guys. And then after doing that, you can just have your multitasking. Thanks guys, and if you like this video, please subscribe it, rate it, and give it thumbs up. And by the way, if you liked my theme, the name of the theme is Celeste. It is called Celeste. I'll spell it for you guys, CELESTE. So you can download it from Cydia in search. Thanks guys.